my site is about beauty hacks, how to do your makeup, do-it-yourself things. So I want to know what you guys think, what you guys want me to do, how you want me to do my makeup, how you want to learn how to do makeup, what you want to see, how you want things to go on this site, things that you want to learn. If I can help you learn that, I will be there to help you, guide you through them steps, and if we can do this together, we'll do it together. So my name's Ashley. My site's name is Dragotus. It means Dragut. It means cute love. It's after my cat, actually, because his name is Dragut for cute. It's in Romanian. I have Romanian in me, so I use that. So we can. I showed little segments of things that I did just real quick. That's just like a little preview of what's to come soon. So yeah, please subscribe to my site and like, comment, share, and do all that stuff, pretty please. And have a nice day, everybody. Bye.